Welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is about how to replace Google Dialer to Oppo Dialer, which you can record calls without announcement, and it's easy to change the caller dialer in any Realme devices. And I will provide APK in the description, so let's begin to the installation part. Now I am going to install APK in my device. Using of application is completely safe, so you can install without any worry. After installing the application, please select this application as a default so it will work in the default application. Now simply go to the settings and find the call records and try to enable that setting so it will record your calls without announcement and it will save in your internal storage. So after the setting up the caller dialer, now you can use this application without any issue. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Take care.